they're going to come across other bugs that actually eat spider mites. And that'll be a happy day. So another look at the brumanjas from here. It's like a forest of flowering brumanja trees. And every one of those flowers is about twice the size of my fist. Down here in front of me, now you see a bunch of 5-gallon buckets. Most of them have coleus in them. And these are the coleus plants that you guys took as cuttings. And you started them in 4-inch cells. And then we transplanted them from 4-inch cells into these pots here. And then I took them from these pots and I put them in a 5-gallon bucket. These coleus plants will turn into something that very much resembles a bush. I put them in here, I cut them back. You know, we need to get some more branching on them so they branch out. And then I planted on a lot of these marigolds underneath them. And to do that, I had marigolds left over. They got brought in from old pots. And these flowers, now these are marigolds right here. Those flowers that you're looking at the end of fall will dry up, and each flower will have about 100 to 200 seeds. And those seeds, I took them off of the old plants, so they weren't the hybrids that I bought. In fact, what you end up getting, you'll get a marigold, but it just won't be what you had before. It won't be as pretty or big. And I took a bunch of seeds from the open pollination and I spread them out in here. So what this is kind of an experiment. I want to see if by putting many of them all together like that, will it fill in, will they flower, and what will it look like? But it might be nice to have this purple crown and then this green with orange underneath it. Okay, now there's a tray in the middle here. These are the same pots, but these are petunias, and these are ones you guys grew from seed. I've had to cut them back once, and I'm going to have to cut them back again. They're doing great, and the white ones in particular look fantastic. These ones we're going to use as ground cover. You see some chrysanthemums there, and a wandering Jew, spider plant there in a pot and not a basket. We come over here and you see a whole bunch of canna lilies, little ones. And these are ones that you guys put in as seeds. You remember trying to file those darn seeds? They were round and black and just hard as rock. Well, these are the ones you got to germinate. And some of them are looking a little rough, but boy, a lot of them are looking great. And once we get a little better weather and I can get these guys outside, I think they're really going to take off. And what's nice about them,